guys, I'm Patty and this is Little Red Southern Kitchen. Today we're going to be making tuna melts. I've got my panini grill warming up here, but I'm going to make my tuna salad. I've got 3 boiled eggs in here. I always think about it too late. I want to review my perfect egg cooker one day, and I always forget it. So after it's done. Okay, I have 2 12-ounce cans of tuna in water that I have drained. I'm going to add that. I've got a very small onion ground up very fine. All this is optional of what you put in it. We like onion in ours. No, I like onion in mine. Tony just eat what I picked, right? Okay. I've got some chow chow, or you can use sweet pickle relish that I've drained. I want to add some salt. And some pepper. And of course, celery seed. And dill weed. Get this stirred around. Mixed up good before I add my mayonnaise. I decided to make this on a whim. I actually was watching something the other day and they did tuna melts, and I decided that sounded good. Now I have made the tuna salad before, so we're revisiting this, but we're just breaking it down into tuna melts. Alright, let's add some mayonnaise. No, I'm almost out of Dukes. Alright, let's check it. I definitely need some more mayonnaise. Hope I got enough. Usually I have one in the cabinet, but I don't know why I don't. Yeah, I'll have enough. I think it's going to wipe it out. That should be enough. Alright, I'm going to give this a little taste. Perfect. Alright, I got to wait on this to heat up the rest of the way. And we'll bring you back when this is hot. We'll make our sandwiches. Okay, it's heated up. Now I have to figure out how to open this cheese. Don't let it beat you, Patty. I'm just going to put one piece on there. Oh Lord, y'all know me. I tell you what. I have this grill on 375. My little panini grill. Never used it for a panini, but made a lot of sandwiches on there, especially when we first got it, you know. I'm using this Pepperidge Farmhouse butter bread. It's really soft. I had a regular sandwich with it the other day. It's pretty good. Alright. Got some melted butter. I'm going to put across this one first. Ooh, yeah, that's ready. Just kind of quick. Oh, I hope I got it all. Alright. Let's leave this down for a few and we'll bring you back. Alright guys, these are done. This was a little quick meal. It's just really hot. Tony gets so darn hot in the truck that
Diagonal.
No. Sorry. That he doesn't want to. Oh, sorry, honey. I ain't messing with his right now. Well, it was messy, wasn't it? Darn it, come on. I would get a dull knife, right? Alright, guys. Our tuna melts are done. I want to thank y'all for joining me for this little quick meal. If you haven't already, please hit subscribe. I'd love to have y'all in the family and watch me have fun cooking and messing with my husband. Because y'all know he is the butt of my jokes. I love that man so much, so. Don't forget to leave me a comment. Give me a big thumbs up. And don't forget to share it out on your social media. Alright, guys. Supper's ready. What are you doing? See what I mean? Supper's ready, guys. Love you.